back. The BJP is prepping a high-voltage campaign starring Prime Minister Narendra Modi, top union ministers and party leaders for the Karnataka elections, which are due later this year. The Prime Minister has been, in fact, a frequent visitor to the state. His latest trip was just on Monday when he inaugurated an airport in Shivamoga and launched several schemes in Belagavi. And today the party has planned the Vijay Sankalp Yatras. These are political yatras that have been taken out from the four corners of the state in chariots, and you had JP Nadda flagging off one of those yatras, Rajnath Singh flagging off another of those political yatras. Earlier we spoke to Akhilesh for more on what the BJP has planned.
It is facing anti-incumbency, so all the engines have to be fired and all the workers have to be mobilized. BJP does not want to take any chances because in South India, Karnataka is the only state where the party is in power, and that's why BJP is doing its best to come back to power in Karnataka. On Monday, Prime Minister was there. This was his 5th visit this year, and of course today his party president JP Nadda is there in Karnataka. He has today launched the party's Vijay Sankalp Yatra. This yatra is being launched from four corners of the state, and that will culminate on 25th March, where a big rally will be BJP will hold a big rally there that will be attended by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And tomorrow, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh will launch another yatra, and on 3rd March, Home Minister Amit Shah will be launching 2 more yatras. So total 4 yatras will be there. These yatras will cover 8,000 kilometers and all the 224 assembly constituencies in Karnataka. BJP hopes that by these yatras, the cadre will be mobilized and the BJP will be able to communicate the masses about the achievements of BJP government in Karnataka and also about the central government's performance.